Islamic banking system, number one, a bank, by definition, a bank is established to lend money on interest. So if you have a bank which is not lending money on interest, it's like a prostitute who is offering herself to you, but she's not a prostitute. If you have a bank who is not lending money on interest, it's like a prostitute offering herself, but you're not calling her a prostitute. Banking is meant to be lending money on interest. That's the banking. You got to change the name then. Okay. What Islamic banks are doing is not supported by the Quran. Allah says in the Quran, وَحَلَّ اللَّهُ الْبَيْعَ وَحَرَّمَ الرِّبَى, that Allah has made business halal and riba haram. And so the alternative to riba is not Islamic banking. The alternative to riba, according to the Quran, is business. Instead of lending your money on interest, you should bring your money in the market, invest it, like everybody else. And when you invest it, you embrace risk. You can make a profit, you can suffer a loss. But you are lending on interest because you want to immunize yourself from loss. Number one. Number two, Islamic banks say, well, we're not lending on interest. Oh no? Oh yes, you are. Islamic banks are lending money on interest and disguising it as a sale. Yeah. They're lending money on interest but disguising it as a sale. Is a credit transaction halal in Islam? Yes, it is. The Prophet bought on credit. But there is no evidence at all that credit price could be higher than cash price. No. If credit price is higher than cash price, the cash price of the house is 500,000 ringgits. The credit price of the house, because you're given 20 years to pay, the credit price of the house is 2 million ringgits. If credit price is higher than cash price, the reason would be because of time. You have to wait for your money, so money increases over time. That's riba. You don't need a PhD from the London School of Economics to recognize that as riba. What Islamic banks are doing is that they are selling on credit at a price higher than the cash price. What Islamic banks are doing is they are selling on credit at a price higher than the cash price. They call it murabaha. It's not murabaha. It's backdoor riba. Yes?
What about if I bought fixed deposit inside the Islamic bank?
I didn't understand the question.
The fixed deposit, if I bought it in the Islamic bank, as you said, murabaha.
A fixed deposit is put into an institution on the basis of an agreement that there would be a fixed return.
Yeah, with the profit.
Yeah. No. That's not profit. You have to call it something else. You can't call it fixed deposit.
Like I bought it for 1 year period. After that, I got 10,000 and then.
Yeah, I understand. If you put your money invested for a period of 1 year on the condition that the money is invested, if it makes a profit, you get a share of the profit. But if it suffers a loss, then you share in the loss. Then that is not a fixed deposit. That's an investment, that's halal. You can lose all your money. All your money. Islamic banks don't do that. They give you a fixed return. Yes.